Search for a pattern in a string in Python. Question: I am very new to Python, so please bear with me. This is a homework assignment that I need some help with. So, for the matchpat function, I need to write a function that will take two arguments, str1 and str2, and return a boolean indicating whether str1 is in str2. But I have to use an asterisk as a wildcard in str1. That can only be used in str1 and it will represent one or more characters that I need to ignore. Examples of matchpat are as follow. Matchpat, a tr, anteaters, true. Matchpat, a tr, albatross, true. Matchpat, a tr, artist, false. My current matchpat function can tell whether the characters of str1 are in str2, but I don't really know how I could tell Python, by using the as a wildcard, to look for a, the first letter, and after it finds a, skip the next 0 or more characters until it finds the next letter, which would be t in the example, and so on.
The basic idea here is to compare each character in str1 and str2, and if char in str1 is, find that character in str2 which is the character next to the in str1. Assuming that you are not going to use any function, except find, which can be implemented easily, this is the hard way. The code is straightforward but messy, and I've commented wherever possible. Output.
Python strings have the in operator. You can check if str1 is a substring of str2 using str1 and str2. You can split a string into a list of substrings based on a token. A bc.split is a, b, c. You can find the offset of next occurrence of a substring in a string using the strings find method. So the problem of wildcard matching becomes: split the pattern into parts which were separated by asterisks. For each part of the pattern, can we find this after the previous part's locations? You are going to have to cope with corner cases like patterns that start with or end with an asterisk or have two asterisks beside each other and so on. Good luck!
There is a find method of strings that searches for a substring from a particular point, returning either its index, if found, or -1 if not found. The index method is similar but raises an exception if the target string is not found. I'd suggest that you first split the pattern string on. This will give you a list of chunks to look for. Set the starting position to 0, and for each element in the list of chunks, do a find or index from the current position. If you find the current chunk, then work out from its starting position and length where to start searching for the next chunk and update the starting position. If you find all the chunks, then the target string matches the pattern. If any chunk is missing, then the pattern search should fail. Since this is homework, I am hoping that gives you enough of an idea to move on.
Without giving you the complete answer, first, split the SDR1 string into a list of strings on the character. I usually call SDR1 the needle and SDR2 the haystack, since you are looking for the needle in the haystack. Next, have a counter, which I will call I, start at 0. You will always be looking at haystack I, for the next string in needles. In pseudocode, it'll look like this.